Hey Spitha, what are you doing here alone?
Hey Memphis, I just saw a documentary about electrical energy. Do you know that almost everything around us works on electrical energy?
Really? But it seems that everybody takes it for granted.
Yes, it becomes a common thing for almost everybody. We can't live without electricity anymore.
Now I'm wondering, how is this energy produced?
It depends on the country. For instance, Greece produces the biggest amount of electrical energy from lignite. In the north of Greece are many mines where lignite is excavated and burned in one of the many plants. Here you see some pictures. Do you see the trucks? They are carrying dirt and other trash that comes free by excavating the lignite.
Yes, I can see them. How much energy is produced in this way?
Well, the process is daily repeated for non-stop producing electrical energy for almost the entire country of Greece. The mine delivers more than 60% of the using need in energy.
Really? For almost the entire country? That's amazing. But how's energy produced in other countries? Do they have also lignite mines?
No, France, for another example, produces almost the whole amount of electrical energy from nuclear power plants. Here you see them on the picture. It's a little bit different from the lignite mine, right?
Yes. But will there always be lignite to make energy?
No, unfortunately.
But what if we are running out of lignite in Greece?
That's a big problem. Within 40 years we don't have lignite anymore, and we have to find another way in order to produce electrical energy. Of course, there are several types of generating energy, but it must be renewable.
Why is that?
Because there are a lot of bad consequences for the environment by producing and using electrical energy. Here you see some pictures about these consequences.
That doesn't sound good. Are there alternative ways to produce energy without having these consequences?
Yes, of course there are. We can produce energy from wind, sun, water and waves. But Greece isn't so far in this development.
In other countries they do?
Yes, for example in the Netherlands. Here you see windmills. In this country almost every day there's a blowing wind. Especially on the coast there's a lot of wind. The wicks of the mill are rotating by the wind and that produces energy. They deliver 3.3% of the energy that is used in the Netherlands.
That's not a lot.
It's something. And you have to remember, windmills don't have bad consequences for the environment. Maybe only for the few. There are several other types to produce proper and clean energy by using the sun or the water. Solar panels and windmills are helping a lot and are not dangerous for the environment.
Okay, so we can do something for the environment. But I'm not working at an electrical factory. Can I do something to help?
Yes, of course you can. Here are some tips. You can turn your TV and computer off while you're not using them. And in the winter, you can turn the thermostat 2 degrees lower. It will also be warm enough and it saves a lot of energy and money.
Wow, this is very simple. I can do that.
Yes.
All of us can do that. Let's get together to produce and use clean energy so that the next generation can also use electrical energy.